Today, the Ogilvy Digital Private Limited officially comes on board as a strategic knowledge partner to facilitate the Bachelor of Business Management Honours in Digital Marketing degree and Certified Professional Marketing graduate offered by the Department of Marketing Management.
The specialty in management faculty, we always try to match the requirements of industry. So in that terms, I can endorse the Department of Marketing Management, what they are doing, developing the skills of their undergraduate, to develop the overall undergraduate to the requirement of industry and this country. And so we warmly welcome Mr. Erwin Veerakodi, Chairman Ogilvy Group. This is a great opportunity that link with National University, because that Department of Marketing Management, they recently newly started this digital marketing degree program. So we warmly welcome you, sir, to this event, and thank you very much for connecting with National University for this endeavor. Individually, we know that we can move faster, but we are much steadier and stronger with the partnership. So with that partnership, we appreciate the industry and the Ogilvy Digital Private Limited for their hands with the Department of Marketing and coming forward to educate and increase the knowledge of our undergraduates. And we hope that we can have better all-round comprehensive graduates as an output of this MOU.
I greatly appreciate the need for us to make sure that our graduates that a university produces actually meet the needs of the industry. And in order to do that, we can't just wait on our own in isolation in the ivory towers of academia, as people put it. We need to reach out to the areas, the employment sectors in which our graduates are going to be working, and we need to make sure that they are competent, that they have the knowledge and the expertise as well as the skills that are necessary in order to contribute significantly to be able to be productive in whatever sector they are going to be working in.
Needless to say that we are happy and privileged to partner to contribute our own industry experience and knowledge for your digital marketing degree program to make it a success. This is the second occasion as a pioneering digital technology company. This is the second occasion that we are partnering with a seat of learning to impart digital education. First one being the University of Jayewardenepura. Today, they say data is new oil. How a person feels, behaves, think can be changed by using this data, his or her own data, as some people say, weaponizing this data. In the future graduates of this degree program, I am sure, could play a critical role in the development trajectory of this country. And we naturally are happy and proud to be associated with this timely and commendable initiative of the Kelaniya University. Thank you.
Today I'm so proud to say we still have that culture, doing new things with a meaningful impact rather limiting to the frame of academia and the preset work climates. That our culture brought by our previous department heads and all the faculty members. And I want to emphasize one fact over here. We are being very first for many initiatives in the marketing education fraternity in Sri Lanka. It's not rather we are being the first. It's no point actually. Being first is different. Being responsive is another different story. We as a responsible academic entity within the state university system
been the trendsetter for a lot of initiatives. Digital economy and the soft economic power will be leading the world for sure. It's already been proven. Let me congratulate to your company and the future beneficiaries of this endeavor, our future student generation, and you will be very privileged to be in the Department of Marketing Management to read these two renowned degrees, Marketing Management and Digital Marketing Management. With the effort, we always blend with the industry partners and our dynamic teaching faculty.